Today's video, I'm going to be going over how to get cheaper commercial insurance, especially for a box truck, semi truck, or even cargo van. We're all trying to get started in this trucking business. Now, we all know that it's a lot of expenses in this trucking business, and we're trying to get started. We're trying to save as much money as possible. So in this video, you will learn the best ways to save money, starting up this policy, and over the months saving more money, hundreds of dollars every single month. Even if you are an experienced carrier and you already have commercial insurance, this video will still help you because you will learn some secret ways to decrease your monthly payment even now. So don't skip anything in this video. You want to know all these secret tips. Stay tuned for more after the intro. Woo! So the first method I'm going to be going over is for new carriers that's looking to start up their first insurance policy. And if you don't know already, there is a down payment when you are choosing your insurance, guys. So it's normally almost double your monthly payment. So say you're going to be paying $800 a month, your down payment is going to be $1,600, but your next 3 months of insurance payments will be free. So essentially, guys, you're paying double, and this is 2 months of insurance for your first 3 months. So you're saving a month in insurance on your policy. Alright, guys, so now over to the mini whiteboard. As we all know, the famous Black Investors Group whiteboard. But anyways, to get this cheap trucking insurance, the thing you want to do when you're starting up this down payment is, when you're starting up your trucking authority, guys, you are going to need $1 million auto liability, $100,000 cargo liability, and general liability. And spoiler, guys, if you do want to work for Amazon, you're gonna need general aggregate insurance. General aggregate insurance, guys, will cost you about $300 for the year, so it's an extra couple dollars a month. And this general aggregate insurance is gonna cost you only a couple dollars extra a month. It's like $5 extra a month. But this general aggregate insurance, you will need $1 million/2 million for it to work with Amazon. But besides all of the general aggregate, guys, the main way to save $300 to even $400 when you're starting up your insurance down payment is this. Woof. And guys, before I say too much more, don't forget to check the links in the description. Check out all my useful links. Schedule a coaching call with me. You can get a 10 to 30 minute conversation. I will help you start up your trucking business, your dispatching business, your online business, any niche that you are in. I will help you start making money the easy way today. And guys, also, we do have the YouTube memberships up, running, in full speed, guys. The extra content, extra exclusive, entertaining financial content, guys, for no ads, no promo, all exclusive, and the YouTube memberships, man. Go ahead and subscribe to that right now. And we also have ebooks and a lot of ebook link in the description where you can learn how to make this money the easy way. Back to the video. Woo! So as we all know, it takes 21 business days to get approved with the FMCSA, and you will need $1 million in auto liability coverage. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna reduce this 1 million to 750K, guys. We're gonna reduce it to 750K when we're starting up this policy. And if you don't know already, I have discussed in my previous videos, you want to start your policy on day 17 to about day 19, okay, guys? So you want to wait 17 business days to start up your policy. And you're doing this because you don't want to be spending unnecessary money in this trucking industry. You don't want to be spending $1,000 a month in insurance and you can't even get loads yet. You're not even approved with the FMCSA. So with this 750K policy, what it's going to do is it's going to decrease your first monthly payment of about $300 to either $400, depending on what company you go with, depending on your driving record. So it's, you know, this is the most expensive category and this insurance policy, guys. You got the 100K cargo, the 1 mil auto, the 1 mil general liability. Sometimes you might need workers' compensation, things like that. And like I said, general aggregate if you want to work for Amazon. But the most expensive thing that's going to be on this policy, you know, even uninsured motorists and, you know, extra things that you want to put, you know, full coverage, bumper to bumper, whatever. The most expensive thing is going to be this $1 million auto liability, costing you $300 to even $500 a month. And if you reduce that to 750K, you can save that on your first down payment. And then the second thing I want to go over is going to be an ELD, guys. Now what this ELD means is electronic logging device. Alright, so what this device will do is it will give insurance companies the access to monitor your vehicle, monitor your speeds, how dangerous you're driving or how safe you're driving. And if you are a safe driver, if you're not a speeder, guys, you will be able to save about an extra $40 to even $60 a month just by having this electronic logging device. Now I do have many devices in my link in the description. I will put a bunch of different companies, a bunch of different electronic logging devices that you can purchase, that you can get started up with for the cheap ski, because this is Black Investors Group where we make investing easy, and part of making investing easy is saving the most money while investing. So go ahead and check out the link in the description and get those electronic logging devices. It's mainly just these two things to start this insurance policy and get it cheaper when you're first starting it up, guys. Like I said, your first month is gonna be about double what you're gonna pay on the normal. So if you're paying $700, you might have to put $1,400 down on this down payment. And if you're starting this trucking business completely new to the industry, this is the only overhead cost that you have. You know, you have your down payment on your trucking insurance. Let's just say it runs you $1,600 for the down payment. Boom, you got $300 to start your trucking authority. Okay, and once you have this insurance and trucking authority, you're pretty much ready to go from there. It costs, you know, a total of about $100 for your BOC3 and your UCR filings. If you don't know what this stuff is, man, you are gonna need these paperwork filings. You can check out this video right here and get started, a full tutorial on how to get started with your trucking business. But once you have all those things, guys, you're only looking at about $3,000, $3,500 if you already have your own truck. And even if you want to rent out a truck, guys, most of these professional rental companies like Ryder, Enterprise, Budget, they're charging, you know, $2,000 deposits for the week, and you can make this $2,000 back in just your first 2 to 3 days over the road. Okay, guys, you can make $700 a day, make that $3,000, and you can make even up to $5,000 in a box truck over the road each week. Now I know a lot of people don't like renting, guys, and there is a lot of costs with renting. There is a lot of expenses and there is a lot of profits that's going to be taken out. But if you're completely new to this industry, if you really want to be a trucker, guys, I fully suggest renting at a cheap rate, guys. Find the cheapest rental truck you can get. Start getting these box truck loads today. You can make up to $1,000 a day in this box truck industry, guys. It's so much work out here, so much loads to be moved, and you know, it's always going to be competitive. So just have a good dispatcher, man, and you can make $1,000 to even $3,000 a week in profit, even renting out a box guys truck. $5,000 in gross, and then you can make about $1,500 to $3,000 in net profit, depending on what companies you go with, man, depending on your region, if the gas prices are expensive or not. And you can make some good money in this trucking industry without even owning your own truck. You can save some money in insurance, get you an ELD, guys. Start this policy up the right way. Get $750K, and before your 21-day waiting period is over, change it to 1 million. Okay, this is the most important part of the video. Change that policy to 1 million before that 30-day waiting period is over. About 30 days, 21 business days. So change it to 1 million, man, and then it won't cost you that much extra. It won't cost you anything extra really, except probably like $4 a month on the next month's charge. And now, guys, you have saved $500 and insurance, man, for your first month with this ELD and with this $750 auto liability. But that's it for this video, man. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please give this video a big thumbs up, man. I do like to teach you about all this trucking content. I am posting daily about trucking content, how to make money the easy way, and even how to boost your credit fast. Don't forget to check out the links in the description and schedule a coaching call today so I can walk you through exactly how to start up your box truck business, how to get started in this business by renting, man, without owning your own truck, and we can make this money together, man. So until tomorrow, I'll see y'all later. Woo!